Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos. So select the photos you want to delete. Go for the select option here. If I go for two photos from here, now if you right click on it, you can't see any delete option here. So you can see a delete icon here. So click on it. Click to move to bin. And you can see to move to the bin, go for bin. And you can see two photos are here. So this is how you can delete photos from Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.